we shall speak to him on the subject ourselves when he comes in, as we think he ought to go on with it. The doctor, although young, is very sure of himself, but this, we think, is as it should be. The principal first remarked on the pleasure which it had given him to be in the chair. Should you have an hour's liberty, however, I think you should call on the doctor and tell him the truth. Merely to think and speak cheerfully when we can has much influence on ourselves and those who are near and dear. Can you tell me whether there has been any general improvement in the number of our members during the year? In justification of his opinion, the doctor remarked on the satisfaction it had given to a large number of people. The very special advantages which are to be given to the members ought to give them much pleasure and satisfaction. We have several yards of this on hand, and according to your instructions, it is being sent on to you today. We wish to put the inscription in hand shortly, but we cannot without having more particulars. His appointment as principal of this very important school is the attainment of a very dear wish. The abandonment of the entertainment was a great disappointment and was the subject of general discontentment. The principal remonstrated with the members for their selfishness, and thenceforward there was much more contentment in the school. The manufacturer was a distinguished mathematician, and the mechanical efficiency of his metropolitan establishment was characteristic. The administrator sent me a cable acknowledging the prospects and informing me that it is satisfactory. We have been told that the owners have had great difficulty with this building, but that improvements are expected immediately. Whatever you do, be sure to welcome the writer when he comes to the university to speak. It is very difficult to publish anything on this subject. We think you should put that large balance in government certificates. A wonderful welcome was given to the representative from New York who had distinguished himself. Do you have any knowledge of this individual's character? Do you think the objection is on his own behalf or in the interest of the school? Nothing has been sent to us for deliveries of November, January and February, and we think we should have more information as to the financial responsibility of this organization. The representative of the local authority remarked they would be surprised if they knew how difficult it is, especially in view of the present financial position. It is significant that in the United States of America, insurance representatives are sent to special schools for instruction. On his appointment, the capable and influential Englishman improved the balances of the two insurance organizations. In retrospect, the amalgamation was seen to have been a mistake. The building has been mortgaged. For years, the inscription was neglected. Whether in the circumstances there is any justification for his satisfaction, it is difficult for me to give an opinion. The arbitrator must, of course, be of unquestionably high character and capable of an independent and impartial decision. How much do you think the difference should be? I have to speak for 2 hours on the subject of different influences on our language. Have you any influence with the young lord? We have delivered the chairs, although, as we have already remarked, we think you ought to have a large number of them. Next year, however, we expect to have instruction in insurance, advertising, and financial organization.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.